Hey, I'm Tom McNeely, and today we're going to make a cinnamon roll cheesecake, which is going to be really good, or might not work. So what we're going to do for the base for the cheesecake is we're going to use what used to be called cinnamon grahams when I was born in the past. And we're going to smash them up so they're kind of like a rough and ready breadcrumb sort of situation. Once you've smashed the hell out of them, you need to put them with some melted butter. Okay, once that's all mixed up, pour it into your cheesecake tin, and you just kind of want to smash it down. Put it in the fridge for about an hour, forget about it, then when they come to bake it, the base is going to be set. So then for the filling for the cheesecake, we've got some Philadelphia or other cream cheese. We've got some vanilla sugar and we've got some caster sugar. But basically you want to mix that till it's all combined, and then one by one you want to add 4 eggs. Okay, so as well as this curiously cinnamon, whatever it's called now, base, we want to make it more and more cinnamon rolly. So what we're going to do is we're going to marble in some of this, which is not a dog poo in a bag. What we've done is we've mixed butter, brown sugar and cinnamon together. All the specifics will be on the website. You mix it up, keep it at room temperature, and what we're going to do is we're going to drop it into the cheesecake mix as we fold it through. So your base has had an hour in the fridge to set, and then what you're going to do is pour in your cheesecake mix. And then in the top of it, you just want to give yourself a little swirl of cinnamon butter so it looks like a cinnamon roll. And now it's looking really beautiful. You want to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. I can't remember what the oven's set to. Again, we'll put it on the website. Okay, and then once you've given it time to cool down, that cinnamon butter is going to set in there. It's going to look a bit rough and ready and a bit gnarly, but we're about it. Then, just like a proper cinnamon bun, we're going to drizzle it in icing sugar